Alright guys, what is up? Today we are back here in my garage and back with the E46. And you guys know this car, hopefully you love it. I know I don't. Today we are gonna be changing the steering wheel and the shift knob. And some other stuff. So yeah, gonna make this car look stock and even better. No more of this shit. No more. And then right here we're gonna have cup holders. And yeah, think it's gonna look fucking sweet when it's done. And here we have some of the parts that I'm gonna install. So we have a new shift knob, just a short and stubby, feels really good to the touch. A leather boot. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this because the one in the car is in pretty good shape. Then we got this M Sport steering wheel and it looks a bit rowdy and all that. I've ordered a steering wheel cover. So it's not got here yet, but I'm just gonna install this and then once that comes, I'll install it. And then right here we have the cup holder set from eBay or whatever you want. You need cup holders in your car. Like, why did BMW design cars without cup holders? It makes no sense. But anyways, you can install them aftermarket, so no big deal. To get this wheel off, you have 6 screws here in the center and then 1 on the shaft and behind it. So let's go ahead and take this out. And this should just pop right out. Fall out. Yep, there we go. So just go ahead and undo this. No, there we are. Got the wheel back on with 3 screws, so I have something to yank on. Let's see what we can do here. It looks like it's ready to release. There we go. Hell yeah. All right, so now we got the new wheel. Gonna install it, just align, oops. Just align it like that, push it into place, hopefully. There we go. You can see on the bottom there are 2 lines which line up. Now I'm just gonna connect all of the wires. And then we got the 16 millimeter bolt to put back in. Oh my god, look at that wheel. Gotta show you later, this is insane. Let me just go ahead and get this bolt back in and then plug the airbag in, put it on there, and then I'll show you the result. Holy shit. This thing transforms the entire feel to the inside of this BMW. Doesn't age it all that much. Just do like that, perfect. Hell yeah. All right, now once we got that, let's move on to the shift knob. And I think I'm gonna leave this boot for now. And then once I get the new leather for the steering wheel, I'll change the boot here as well. So this should just be to pull up. All right. So I put it in second and then just yanked the shit out of it and it worked. So now time to get this installed. And you see the little slot that you have here. You also have that in the top of this, which is too dark to see, but I can see it. So then, there we go. Should put it in neutral for this. So that's about right. And then, oh, there. There we are, new shift knob installed. So then last but not least, we have the cup holders to install. So these are, you can see the cup holder here. It has these 2 little, I don't know what you call them, sticking out on the bottom as well as this over top. That's supposed to go over top of this and under that, and this is towards the back as well. So you're gonna have to put them together like that and then put them in there. To get this out, you just have to pry it up starting at the front end and just lift and it pops out. You can see it has two clips which go in there in the back as well. And here comes the tricky part, which is, I'm gonna start by putting only this in, see how it goes. And then clamp it down, take this one, put it on. There we go. And then push it down there and in with the front end as well. Push it all down so you feel that it sticks. And there you go. Got a cup holder in here with to put your coins. I don't know, I don't have any coins, but yeah. A lot better than these two compartments just. There we go. Only thing is, now when you're driving and you're gonna shift gear, your drinks are sort of gonna be in the way, especially 4th to 5th. So, well, it's better than no cup holders, and it looks a lot better than that. So we'll see how it goes. Along with changing the whole interior, I'm also gonna be cleaning it. So we're gonna go from something like this to this. And as you can see, it's all black, all clean. Looks very nice in my opinion. As you can see, a bunch of dirt and grime and everything everywhere. Got my vacuum cleaner there. Gonna get all that sorted out, so it'll go from this to this. Just really clean, not a bunch of shit on the floor. And in my opinion, the cleaner something is, the better it is, the nicer it feels. I will also remove this window tint on both sides. It's only on the rear quarter windows. I don't know why. So let me go ahead and rip that off. Alright, that is it for this time. Made some huge improvements in my opinion. And this interior is now basically where I want it. We're black on black, everything. Still a couple things to fix though. Still waiting on the steering wheel wrap, and then I can install the shift lever boot, and also looking for a new parking brake boot and handle, maybe a armrest or something like that. But for the most part now, the interior is where I want it. So yeah, look out for a future video where I'll be wrapping the steering wheel, completing all those parts. And then I got a lot of modifications for the exterior laying around. So after I'm done with the interior, I'll move on to that. So until next time guys, take care, subscribe so you don't miss out, like the video if you enjoy the content of course. And until next time, take care.